Hey there, health-conscious folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're shedding light on some sneaky habits that may be quietly sabotaging our health without us even realizing it. From seemingly harmless daily routines to subtle lifestyle choices, these habits can take a toll on our well-being over time. So let's dive in and uncover these hidden culprits so we can make positive changes for a healthier life. Number 1. Sedentary lifestyle. In our modern, technology-driven world, it's all too easy to fall into the trap of a sedentary lifestyle without even realizing it. Whether we're glued to our desks for hours on end or binge-watching our favorite shows on the couch, prolonged periods of sitting can have serious consequences for our health. Research has linked excessive sitting to a myriad of health issues, including obesity, heart disease, and even early death. The lack of movement not only leads to physical health problems, but can also impact our mental well-being, contributing to feelings of lethargy and low mood. Combating a sedentary lifestyle requires a conscious effort to incorporate more movement into our daily routines. Simple changes like taking regular standing breaks, going for short walks throughout the day, or incorporating exercise into our leisure time can make a significant difference in reducing the negative effects of prolonged sitting and promoting better overall health. Number 2. Mindless eating. Have you ever found yourself mindlessly reaching for snacks while watching TV or scrolling through your phone? Mindless eating, or consuming food without paying attention to hunger cues or portion sizes, has become a common habit for many of us. Unfortunately, this seemingly harmless behavior can lead to overeating and weight gain over time. When we eat without being fully present and mindful of our food choices, we're more likely to consume larger portions and indulge in unhealthy snacks. Additionally, eating while distracted can interfere with our body's ability to recognize fullness signals, leading to overconsumption of calories. To break the cycle of mindless eating, try practicing mindful eating techniques such as paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, savoring each bite, and avoiding distractions during meals. By becoming more mindful of our eating habits, we can foster a healthier relationship with food and support better overall health and well-being. Number 3. Poor sleep hygiene. Sleep is essential for our overall health and well-being, yet many of us unknowingly engage in habits that disrupt our sleep quality. Poor sleep hygiene, characterized by behaviors like irregular sleep schedules, late-night screen time, and a lack of bedtime routines, can wreak havoc on our sleep patterns. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep, making it harder to fall asleep. Moreover, irregular sleep schedules can disrupt our body's internal clock, leading to difficulty falling asleep and waking up feeling groggy and unrested. To improve sleep hygiene, it's important to establish consistent bedtime routines, create a relaxing sleep environment, and avoid stimulants like caffeine and electronics before bed. By prioritizing good sleep habits, we can optimize our sleep quality and support better overall health and well-being. Number 4. Excessive stress. Stress has become a ubiquitous part of modern life, yet many of us fail to recognize the toll it takes on our health. Excessive or chronic stress can wreak havoc on our physical and mental well-being, contributing to a range of health issues including high blood pressure, weakened immune function, and mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. When we're stressed, our bodies release hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which can trigger the fight-or-flight response and put us in a state of constant alertness. Over time, this can lead to fatigue, burnout, and increased risk of chronic diseases. To combat excessive stress, it's important to incorporate stress management techniques into our daily routines, such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and regular exercise. Additionally, seeking support from friends, family, or a mental health professional can provide valuable resources for coping with stress and promoting better overall health and well-being. Number 5. Neglecting mental health. Just as we prioritize our physical health, it's crucial to pay attention to our mental well-being. Neglecting mental health can have serious consequences, leading to issues such as depression, anxiety, and burnout. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the importance of self-care and mental wellness. However, taking time for activities that promote mental well-being, such as meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature, is essential for maintaining overall health and happiness. Additionally, seeking professional help when needed and maintaining open communication about mental health concerns with trusted individuals can provide valuable support and resources for managing mental health challenges. By prioritizing mental health and making self-care a priority, we can better cope with stress, improve our mood, and enhance our overall quality of life. Number 6. Ignoring hydration needs. Staying hydrated is vital for maintaining optimal health and well-being, yet many of us overlook our hydration needs throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to a range of health issues, including headaches, fatigue, and impaired cognitive function. It's important to make a conscious effort to drink water regularly throughout the day, especially during and after physical activity. Additionally, limiting consumption of sugary beverages and opting for water as your primary source of hydration can further promote better health outcomes. By staying adequately hydrated, we can support our body's functions, improve our energy levels, and enhance overall health and well-being. Remember to listen to your body's thirst cues and make hydration a priority in your daily routine. Number 7. Skipping regular health checkups. Prevention is key when it comes to maintaining good health, yet many of us neglect to schedule regular health checkups and screenings. Routine visits to your healthcare provider are essential for monitoring your overall health status, detecting any potential issues early on, and taking proactive steps to address them. Additionally, staying up to date on recommended screenings, such as blood pressure checks, cholesterol tests, and cancer screenings, can help identify underlying health conditions before they progress. By prioritizing regular health checkups and screenings, you can take control of your health and make informed decisions about your well-being. Remember that prevention is always better than cure, so don't wait until you're feeling unwell to visit your healthcare provider. Make your health a priority and schedule regular checkups to ensure you're taking the necessary steps to maintain optimal health and well-being. Number 8. Overloading on processed foods. Processed foods may be convenient, but they often lack essential nutrients and are loaded with unhealthy additives like sugar, salt, and artificial preservatives. Excessive consumption of processed foods can contribute to weight gain, nutrient deficiencies, and increased risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. To support better health and well-being, it's important to prioritize whole, minimally processed foods in your diet. Incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals can provide essential nutrients and promote better overall health. Additionally, paying attention to food labels and ingredients lists can help you make more informed choices about the foods you consume. By opting for whole foods and minimizing your intake of processed foods, you can support your body's health and well-being and reduce your risk of diet-related health issues. And there you have it, folks, 8 habits that may be quietly damaging our health without us even realizing it. By being mindful of these sneaky culprits and making positive changes to our daily routines and lifestyle choices, we can take proactive steps towards improving our health and well-being. Remember, small changes can add up to big results over time, so start implementing healthier habits today for a happier, healthier tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.